Welcome to the Museum of the American Revolution's virtual museum, where you can find 360-degree photographs of all of our galleries. I'm going to guide you through how to use the virtual museum. In the upper right, you'll notice a full screen icon, and we recommend using this system in full screen. In the upper left, you'll notice a menu. This will give you a quick way to reference which gallery you're in and even jump to another one, a different section of the museum. In the lower left, you'll notice the identification for the gallery and a plus and minus icon. These icons allow you to zoom in on the overall photographs of the gallery itself. In the lower right, you'll see an X, which will allow you to hide the interface icon, and a left and right arrow that allows you to navigate to the next or the previous gallery. In each gallery, you'll notice a combination of labels on the wall. You can zoom in on these. Artwork, installations, an icon that will allow you to play the museum's audio tour, stop by stop, and another that allows you to download a transcript of each tour stop. Each object has a label, and in many cases, you can zoom in on the materials in a given installation. These large cases, for example, feature a number of original objects from the Revolutionary era, and by clicking on them, you can see both the labels in the case as well as the objects themselves. You can use the plus or minus icon to zoom in on these objects, and you can hide the caption by clicking the eye icon. I hope you enjoy exploring the virtual museum. The Museum of the American Revolution uncovers and shares compelling stories about the diverse people and complex events that sparked America's ongoing experiment in liberty, equality, and self-government. And you can explore how we do that here in the virtual museum through immersive environments, a rich collection of objects, and incredible stories. And we hope that you get the chance to visit the museum in person soon.